for the present.
Oh, cool. What is it? It's like Star Wars. Cause look at.
Do you know what it is?
I don't know, but it's Star Wars.
It's an Xbox 360.
Awesome. Did I have my Xbox?
It's like what Noah has at his house.
Do I have my Xbox game?
Mama, go ahead, Miranda.
For Christmas, I got my Xbox.
You got a DS game.
No, I got an Xbox game too.
From who?
I don't know, but I got an Xbox game. That's Pokemon.
You know what that is, Miranda?
It's a lunchbox.
No.
Oh, makeup set.
No. Look at it again. I'll turn it over, Miranda. Turn the whole box over. On the side.
A DS, Miranda. A pink DS. See? Can we get it?
I wanted a DS.
Awesome. They got. I want to play Stars most time. Oh, you got a Barbie house. You're lucky like a chicken. I think I know what this is. Can I open mine now, Mom?
Yeah.
I think I know what it is. It's a Transformer car. Awesome. Close it. Awesome. It goes on your wall and shows like a aquarium. That's awesome. Wow, you got this present. What about this present?
Leave it.
Come on, I want you to open one of mine. Please, because you don't have one, I think.
It's okay.
I want it would be special for you too.
That's okay. What's that, Miranda?
No blanket.
Yeah, who's that? Know what it is? Cheetah Girls.
I know that.
Because how did you look for these stuff, Amanda. That's where you're at. Right there. Yeah. What you get? That looks like something. Oh, High School Musical 2 lunchbox, Miranda.
Mhm.
Open it? Lego something. What is it? Awesome! I got like a SpongeBob.
I get this one.
And Plankton's only a little ball.
Onesie.
And got Krabby Patty. Oh, cool. Thanks, Santa. You tell me what it is. It's a helicopter. Some kind of plane that goes on. Awesome. See, these on TV, the remote control.
I open.
Now, what's this for, man? Oh, I have the same thing as you always. No, yeah, you do, but not. I thought you were hit. I'm gonna open this one first. What is it, Miranda? 2 videos of something. What are they?
Miranda.
Indiana Jones movies. And no, I didn't think that was my name. It looked like Miranda's. I always close my eyes to see if it's a Star Wars story or anything. Open that thing. It won't open. Here you go.
Don't we have to check our stockings?
What is it? Tell me. It's the new Morse Storm. Some kind of racing game for the Xbox.
Don't have an Xbox.
Yes, I got that, man. That's this big thing. What is it? Come on. Now you're going to tell it. What is it, Mom?
Same thing as Noah.
Oh, John boy. Mom, I can't even count it. No fair.
I win now.
Open now, Mom.
Babies. Babies. I love babies.
You wanted it. And there's Miranda.
Oh, we look at.
We got hey, her. I forgot her.
And Montana.
Okay, I'm opening.
One
There you
more. Sharpay.
Right open my mom. Tell me what it is, okay? I hope it's Star Wars. What is it, Mom?
Star Wars.
Awesome! Oh, sweet. Just what I wanted for Christmas.
What?
Yes, Star Wars.
I told you it.
Obi-Wan ship with a
Ow.
rocket.
I keep squirting my fingers.
What is it?
Indiana Jones.
Oh, cool. What? Awesome. Oh, sweet. Yeah, Go.
There's your DS.
My DS.
Oh, give me it.
No, my DS.
No, every DS comes with extra pen.
Ouch. That was awesome.
I think it's something I know. Surf's Up. We're at 2 games. Oh, yes. Yes. Star Wars Legos. Oh, my God. Darth Vader. And I know how to play an Xbox. I just need a little help. And Miranda.
My Game Boy.
Tana. Cookie Mama.
Yeah, these are my games.
I'm betting this is a DS
This
game.
is cool.
It is. Wildlife Rescue. Just what I wanted. Get Miranda.
I wanted
The
this.
last present, Miranda. From Christmas Eve. At least I had 2 stars since I was lucky. Oh, Miranda, this is to you. But I'm giving it to you. What is it, Miranda? It's something that, it's not a toy, Miranda.
Clothes.
You better be thankful to clothes. Nope. Hair braids. All this stuff. Miranda. Hey, Miranda, I'll open it for you. Ready, Miranda?
Yeah.
Thank you, Santa Claus. Merry Christmas. I love you. Jingle bells, jingle. Oh, man, didn't I? Oh, I did that's also said. Jack the horse with bells of holly. This the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Rocking in the weather.
Christmas is coming, it goes again and back. Please put penny in the man's hand. You haven't got a penny, a half penny will do. You don't have a penny, God bless you.
Anything you want to say to Santa Claus?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. I love the Star Wars toys.
I love my DS.
Thanks for the Xbox 360. I always wanted one. Now I don't need to go to my cousin's house.
Thank you for